Hello, welcome to Sarees. This is Sri Lakshmi. Our website is sarees.in. Summer is in, so we are bringing to you Mulmul cotton sarees that really pamper your skin. These are very soft sarees and they get softer with every wash. Let's take a look at today's collection. This is a very pleasant leaf green Mulmul cotton saree with beautiful ajrak pattern prints. So you have this big border on the lower side of the saree with awesome paisley patterns as well. The middle portion of the saree goes plain. There is the smaller border on the top in ajrak pattern. Here's a look at the pallu. This saree comes with this black cotton blouse. We have two more colors in the same pattern. So this is a black with white and red saree. And this is a blue one in the same pattern. This is another very unique Mulmul cotton saree in red, white and black. And the paisley patterns come here on the pallu. Here's the pallu. Here's another look at the pallu. This saree comes with this black cotton blouse. Here's a beautiful bandhani print Mulmul cotton saree, and this saree comes with a running pallu. Here's another look at the pallu. And this saree comes with this beautiful contrast blouse in fuchsia pink. It also has this bit of bandhani print at the border which you can use on the sleeves. We have three more colors available in the same bandhani print. So here's a red one. This comes with a beautiful contrast green blouse. Here's another deep magenta bandhani print saree in Mulmul cotton fabric. And this comes with a contrast white blouse. And here's a lovely mustard yellow bandhani print Mulmul cotton saree. And this comes with a contrast indigo color blouse. Indigo color sarees have been a rage for long and we have plenty of them for you. Here's one of them. This one has these beautiful alternating color prints on the body of the saree with beautiful creeper borders on both sides. The whole saree goes like this. The pallu is awesome. It comes with ajrak prints. Here's another look at the pallu. And this is the contrast blouse for the saree. Here's a beautiful white and red Mulmul cotton saree with batik and bandhani prints. This is the pallu for this saree. Here's another look at the pallu. And this is the blouse for this saree. Here's a grey color Mulmul cotton saree with very unusual and modern prints, and it has these awesome checked borders on both sides. The whole saree goes like this. This is the pallu for this saree. And here's this beautiful blouse for this saree. You can match it with other sarees as well. Here's one more attractive grey color Mulmul cotton saree with unusual prints again. And the pallu is the main attraction in the saree. Take a look. Here's another look at this pallu. This is the blouse for this saree. We have the same pattern available in red as well. This saree is a deep purple grape color saree with innovative prints on both sides. So the saree has these big leaf pattern prints on both sides of the saree, and the middle portion of the saree has these subtle batik prints. The whole saree goes like this. This is the pallu for this saree. Here's another look at the pallu. And here's the blouse for this saree. I hope you loved checking out today's collection of Mulmul cotton sarees. As I said, they get softer with every wash and they're an absolute treat to your skin. Do grab these sarees from our website. We have a lot more available on our website. The link to this collection, as always, is given in the description box below, and the links to the specific saree shown in today's video are also given in the description box. Please feel free to contact us if you have any queries. Do remember to click like if you loved watching this video, and please do subscribe if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching.